Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change or switch user in Windows 10 PC. In case you have created multiple user account on your Windows 10 PC and you want to switch from one to another. For instance, I have logged in my account with this one Kamlesh Kumar username, and I want to switch to my another user account, that is test. To switch your user account, click on this one start button and then click on this one profile icon, and here you will find all the user accounts that you have created in your Windows 10 PC. Just click on this one entry, click on the profile icon or username to switch to that user account on your Windows 10 PC. Now click on this one sign in button. In case you have configured password for that user, you need to enter the password, or otherwise, in case you don't have a password for that user account will be logged in automatically on your Windows 10 PC.